Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Lubluelu SL68 robot vacuum and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now you might want to do this hard reset for two different reasons. Number one is troubleshooting. If the robot will not connect to Wi-Fi or will not sync with the app, or if it won't pair with your device, or if it's otherwise not connecting or keeps disconnecting or not working in any way, a hard reset can fix a lot of the issues. The other reason is if you just want to set it up anew on a new Wi-Fi system and everything like that, maybe in a new house, going ahead and resetting it will just allow you to fresh start. And it's real easy to do. All you need is like a paper clip or a toothpick or something like that. And if you're looking at the front of the robot, we'll just come around on the right side, and we'll see this little reset hole here. We can just come in with it again with our paper clip or with our toothpick or something like that, and press and hold that button for about 1 second, and that will initiate a hard factory default reset of the machine.